Hi to all, my name is SC Dark, and in today's video we have one mission, and mission is to fix this machine. So this is Krups EA810B, not sports. And we're gonna try to fix this machine. So as you can see, this is very badass machine. So here you have coffee beans that if you remove this and you take this bolt and you remove this, you can see how it works. So now we're gonna try to put coffee, and then we're gonna see what the problem is. The problem is that everything works, as you can see. Everything works. Now it goes down, and now we should have here coffee, but nothing came out. I think we have somewhere clogged, and I'm gonna try to figure it out where. So we're gonna have to take this apart and see what the problem is. But this machine is very badass, as you can see. We have problem. What's the problem? Water we have. But I think the machine knows that nothing came out. And if you remove this and take this out, you see that here is the water, but nothing came out. So we need to open this and see what the problem is. And before I open it, I will put here vinegar and water, and I will boil it, and I will put it here. Here you put a solution to clean the filter and pipes, and maybe we're gonna get water here. So first we're gonna do that. So put a little vinegar in, and now you simply boil it. So now the water is hot, and we're gonna put a little in. And then we're gonna turn it on. Now it's heat, and we'll see if anything comes out. And we have something, so that's good. So that's very nice. So I didn't have to take all this apart, because it will be pain in the ass to take it all out, to disassemble it. And now what you can do, put vinegar in here and put 5-6 cycles, so the machine will clean itself. But now, as you can see, everything works, and that's very nice. So we didn't need to take this apart. We only put vinegar, hot water, boiling water, put it here and clean. And then as you can see, we have now we don't have. So we have to do this one more time. So now I will try to put hot water in the tank, and then I'm going to try to put out the steam. And we got something out, but you have to be careful, because if here is water, yeah, here is water, and okay, now I'm going to try to put another cup. Okay. Now, as you can see, yeah, maybe now it will be good. Maybe it will fix the problem. So I'm gonna do a test run. So now I'm gonna put here. And the moment of truth, if we fix the problem or not, we're gonna see that now. As you can see, we have coffee, and that is very beautiful. So the things you need: vinegar, hot water, boiling water, put in the tank, run few cycles. As you can see, you got out coffee, and that's it. So ZSC Dark out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video. My next video will be, I don't know when. Support me, and that is it. So we're gonna go almost full. So as you can see, it works. And just to show you, the water is very hot. So this is Celsius. So the machine works. So don't forget ZSC Dark out. Subscribe, share, and like this video. Thanks for watching. ZSC Dark out. Bye.